We all know that skin during adolescence faces a lot of challenges and it is not easy to follow a skincare routine. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Ravali Yalamanchili. Today I'll be sharing some skincare tips for teenagers. Teenage or adolescence is the time where your hormonal changes start affecting your skin. Your skin can change from oily, dry or a combination skin, and some people can even have a sensitive skin type. Today, let us understand what each skin type can do to maintain their healthy skin. First things first, let us know how to choose a face wash. For oily skin type, make sure you're using a gentle cleanser along with a cleanser which has salicylic acid as an active ingredient. Salicylic acid helps control sebum production and also takes care of your pores. But please be mindful while using a salicylic acid based cleanser or a cleanser with any active ingredient. Please do not overdo and try to minimize the use to only once or twice a week. This helps in regulating your sebum production without causing any dryness. When it comes to the moisturizer, when you have oily skin type, make sure you're using a hydrating moisturizer which is non-comedogenic and oil-free. This makes sure your pores are not clogged and helps in hydrating your skin. Someone who has dry skin, make sure you do not use a cleanser which has active ingredients in it and always use a gentle foaming cleansers. If you have to double cleanse your face or remove excessive makeup, follow the double cleansing method, one with a cleansing balm, and follow this up with your gentle foaming cleanser. And when it comes to a moisturizer, make sure you're using a moisturizer that is nourishing and hydrating. It can also have ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin which will enhance the moisturizing properties. The most common skin type that most of us have is a combination skin type where your center T-zone is oily and the rest of the face seems a little dry. This is explainable mainly because the oil production is mainly in the center part of your face as we have high concentration of oil glands in these areas. These people can get away using a mild cleanser but also can use a foaming face wash which has active ingredients once or twice a week. Also choose a moisturizer which is nourishing enough but does not clog your pores. The next important step when it comes to your skincare routine is choosing a sunscreen. Along with your face wash and moisturizer, it is important that you use a sunscreen on a regular basis. When it comes to sunscreens, there are lotions, there are cream-based sunscreens, there are gel-based sunscreens, and there are even water-based sunscreen. You can choose amongst this vast range depending on your skin type, and someone who has oily skin always use a lotion or maybe a water-based sunscreen. And someone who has dry skin type can always choose a cream-based sunscreen. When someone has sensitive skin type, make sure your products do not contain any fragrances in it. Exfoliation is another thing that most of the teenagers try to do very often, thinking that their skin is not clean enough. Exfoliation is okay, but if you have to choose between chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation, chemical exfoliation with mild AHAs or BHAs is a better option as it does not cause any physical damage to your skin. The frequency of exfoliation is very important and please do not do it very frequently and try to do it once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks. The two main problems that most of the teenagers face is acne or pimples, and also the other thing is seborrheic dermatitis or dandruff, which can even affect the face. When you have active acne, make sure you visit a qualified dermatologist and get a treatment done because sometimes these acne can leave behind pits or scars which can be permanent. And if you have seborrheic dermatitis or dandruff on the scalp where you see flakes on your shirt and sometimes some redness around your nose or even in the chin area, this needs a qualified dermatologist's opinion and you might have to use some anti-dandruff shampoos and if it is severe, even some medications. Diet plays a major role when it comes to your sebum secretion and quality of your skin. Make sure you're eating a healthy, balanced meals to have a good and healthy skin. Remember, every teen's skin is unique and your skincare routine depends on your skin type and any underlying conditions that you're facing. Do not hesitate to visit a qualified dermatologist for further opinion. If you have any queries regarding skincare routine during your adolescence, please comment below and subscribe to my channel.